Shalom Mishpacha. I want to share a short music of something that I was reminded earlier, entitled Always Lift Him Up and Never Knock Him Down. I was reminded by the Ruach HaKodesh how we must lift up our fellow members of the body of Mashiach Yahushua and in Yahuwah, how to never knock them down, but instead of it, lift them up, help them, not only our brethren, but our kindred, friends, even enemies. What Yahushua HaMashiach have commanded Lanu, that it's the second command, the second mitzvah, second command, that we must ahabat, love our neighbors like ourselves. Yahushua HaMashiach is the epitome of the ahaba and or of, or light of our Almighty Yahuwah. For when he walked on Haaretz, he emanated that kind of love, chesed, the kindness, the compassion, the kind compassion towards others. Instead of knocking them down, condemning them, he forgave them, helped them how to change, and taught them how to get right with our Abinu, our Ab, Yahuwah Almighty. What else? I believe that's what the message and the encouragement. May we be encouraged, may we be strengthened by the Ruach HaKodesh to dwell, to walk upon that kind of kindness and love that will bring light or to this world, that when they see it, they would exalt our Almighty and would have amunah, believe in our Mashiach Yahushua, that he is real, that to see how he's changing Lanu, how he's changing each of us towards righteousness, towards the light of Yahushua. May we all have Yom Tov, Alayla Tov from the Philippines. Shalom, shalom. May you like the share.
When a fellow has the blues, feels discouraged, and has nothing else but trouble all his life, when he's always